In today's video, I'll show you how to join the official Discord server for the Roblox game Bizarre Lineage step by step. First, open Discord on your computer. On the left-hand sidebar, click the Add a Server button, the plus icon. A new window will appear with several options, but since we already have an invite code, click on Join a Server under the question, Have an invite already? Now, you'll need to enter the invite code or link. In this case, type Bizarre Lineage all together with no spaces or extra characters exactly as shown. Once you've entered it correctly, click the blue Join Server button and you'll be added to the Bizarre Lineage Discord server. After joining, you may be asked which language you speak. If you speak English, you can simply click Skip. Next, you might be prompted to choose a role. If you don't want to select anything, just click Finish. Once you're inside, you'll see all the available channels on the left-hand side. Make sure to read the server rules to avoid getting banned. There's also a links section and, in many cases, a verification step you must complete to unlock full access to the server. If you don't see all the channels, it means you still need to verify your account. Look for a verification option in the Welcome section and follow the instructions provided. This is usually done through a third-party tool like BlowLinks. If this video helped you learn how to join the Bizarre Lineage Discord server, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which server you'd like to see next.